The province of Abra is one of the 82 provinces in the Philippines. It is a landlocked province located in the island of Luzon, particularly in the Cordillera Administrative Region. It is bordered by the provinces of Ilocos Norte and Apayao in the north, Kalinga on the east, Mountain Province in the southeast, and Ilocos Sur on the southwest. Here are the administrative divisions of the province of Abra: the municipality of Bangged, the municipality of Bulinay, the municipality of Bukay, the municipality of Buklok, the municipality of Daguman, the municipality of Danglas, the municipality of Dolores, the municipality of La Paz, the municipality of Lacub, the municipality of Lagangilang, the municipality of Lagayan, the municipality of Lagiden, the municipality of Likuan Baay, the municipality of Luba, the municipality of Malimkong, the municipality of Manabo, the municipality of Peña Rubia, the municipality of Pigidan, the municipality of Pilar, the municipality of Salapadan, the municipality of San Isidro, the municipality of San Juan, the municipality of San Quintin, the municipality of Tayum, the municipality of Tianeg, the municipality of Tubo, and the municipality of Villa Viciosa. So there are 27 municipalities within the province of Abra.